Our cleaner is probably the hardest working device in our pool. The cleaner runs around every day on its schedule, and it's there to pick up and sweep the pool. The tail, as it's going back and forth, is sweeping the pool, and the cleaner itself is picking up leaves and debris, which it loads in its onboard bag. It's important to clean this bag as needed, and to do so, you simply open the bag up and pull out any debris that might have picked up. After you've done so, you put your bag back together and put it back on the cleaner. Again, it's really important to clean that bag at least once a week or when needed. Sometimes, depending on the time of year, this bag could fill up in just a matter of an hour. A couple of things to note about the cleaner is there's three things that are considered a wearable item and not a warranty item. That would be the tail. This tail scrubber will need to be replaced as needed as it wears out from scrubbing the pool. The tires are also a wearable item along with the bag.